I'm back to YouTube after a several month hiatus. I've been taking some time away from work and the heat wave in Texas. It's been getting up to 109 degrees, and with the ambient temperatures, they would sometimes reach 140 to 150 degrees. So that is like baking in an oven. Been taking some time away, going to Colorado to get some cooler temperatures. The main reason for the trip was that I wanted to look at some different vans, different layouts, because I'm very curious about potentially buying or building a camper van to kind of dip my feet into this new experience. I thought it might be good to kind of rent a van first, try it out, see what it's like, determine whether I actually like camping in a van. So my wife and I both took some time off our vacation and we flew to Colorado, where we visited the Overland Expo Mountain West, and we saw some camper vans that they had there. There was a lot of cool vehicles there. If you haven't seen it, you might want to take a look at my previous video. I'll link it down in the description. So I'm going to show you a little video that I put together of the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van that we rented in Colorado from a company called Sojourn Sprinter Vans. We had this van for the entire week to visit the Overland Expo. So before I show you the video, let me just kind of briefly describe all of the features of the van. So most Sprinters, as you may know, have a nickname. So this one has one as well. It's called Boone. The van that we rented was their first van that they built, and it was a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van 170 4x4. So it has black Rhino wheels. It does have a spare tire carrier, and it has exterior solar panels. It seats 6 people and sleeps 4, 2 adults and 2 children. The front 2 seats have swivel mounts, so you're able to turn both seats around, and you have a bench seat that seats 2, which you can also store out of the way, and then you can seat 2 more people in the rear dinette if needed. The kitchen has a sink. You've got hot water, as well as a 2-burner induction stovetop, and you have a 54-quart cooler style refrigerator freezer. The van also features a bathroom with a Nature's Head composting toilet, as well as a shower with a retractable door similar to the Nautilus. The rear dinette area seats 4 to 5 people very comfortably and turns into a bed. Above the dinette is a platform bed that is supported by 4 telescoping legs. The platform bed is just a little bit shorter than the bottom bed, so adults would sleep on the bottom and the children would be able to sleep on top. Many of the electrical system components are by Renogy. It also has lithium batteries and a 3000 watt inverter. So the van also has an SPAR heater, which heats the floor, and it also heats the water. So for cooling, there's a Frezr 12 volt air cooler, which is an evaporative type cooler. There's one max air fan in the center of the van, right above the bathroom, and then there's 2 small fans in the back of the van in the bedroom. It has a 30-gallon freshwater tank and a 40-gallon gray water tank. The van also has LED lights throughout, and they're all dimmable. And if you want to keep your valuables safe and secure, there's also a safe. Here's the clip. I hope you enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video of the van. I really enjoyed my time in Colorado and also enjoyed trying out this van. If you like the features of this van and want to schedule your own adventure, then please feel free to reach out to Sojourn Vans or go to their website at sojournadventureco.com and look up their contact information. Until next time, see you soon.